Yeah, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, miss. My name is Rahim Ali, and I am from Pakistan, and I am working in a trading company from last as a business development manager, and I learn lot of things from my previous job. Uh, that's why I came here for a new job and to support my family. Uh, and now I am working as accountant and business development manager here in Sami Professional as a business development manager from last 1 year.
Okay. So, for which technology you have enrolled?
Sorry,
For which technology, which training you are enrolled for, like for the training?
VBA,
VBA.
VBA, Excel VBA.
Okay. So, how was your trainer?
Trainer was a good way of his teaching. Learn mostly VBA is difficult for me, but I learn very much from him, uh, from basic to advanced level. He teach me a lot. Uh, I like VBA when I saw in my office when I was in Islamabad, Pakistan. But I don't know how to make macros. But when I saw your ad in one of group in Facebook, then I
Mm-hmm.
approach you, and then I learn very what can I say? Mostly, uh, he teach me in a good way, and he asked me everything, and I learned many
Okay.
that help me in my job.
Okay. So, it was like good experience for you with Analyst Era.
Yes,
So, do you recommend Analyst Era to your friends as well?
yes, I will recommend my friends and colleagues in Pakistan and here in UAE to learn Excel from basic to advanced level, and also VBA for Excel and Word, whole Microsoft Office. Deepak sir is very good, and his way of teaching is very good. Uh, he teach me a lot. I like him very much.
Okay. Thank you so
Uh,
much, Rahim.
People
Yeah.
also, thank you so much, miss,
Yeah.
for your cooperation and help.
Okay. Any suggestions do you have for Analyst Era?
I think you should add assignments like weekly assignments you should give to uh, students who learn their courses from your side. Uh, the
Okay.
trainer should send assignment on weekly basis that will help to learn, and the trainer can understand how much he is learning from him.
Okay. Okay. That will do. Okay. Thank you for your time, Rahim.
No problem.
In
Thank you so
in
much.
future, if you have in future you have some query regarding VBA, you can connect to Meghna, and definitely we will resolve your issues with Deepak if there is in future. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Okay, bye.